And the race is on. G-Spot from the outside. Youngster Gangsta, Baby Jade alongside 3-8 Grand Excess Capitanaco, and number 1 Count Medicis. Youngster Gangsta, G-Spot, Baby Jade from the outside. Count Medicis down on the inside. 3-8 Grand Excess and Capitanaco is running at the tail of the field, passing the half-mile post. Youngster Gangsta, G-Spot, Baby Jade from the outside, and Grand Access running in forward by a length and a half. Count Medis is done on the inside, and Capitanaco rounding the far turn. Youngster Gangsta, G-Spot is running down on the inside. Baby Jade is racing third from the outside. As they raise the final corner, the favorite G-Spot is now the leader. Youngster Gangsta, Baby Jade from the outside is 3-A Grand Excess, and nearing the last 150 meters more to run. G-Spot, the favorite by some 2 lengths, and finally G-Spot, the horse of Mr. Puts Puyat. Second, Youngster Gangsta, 3-A Grand Access, Count Medicis, Capitanaco, and Baby Jade comes last.